welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing. Anyway, today we want to make you guys a nice lovely cornmeal pudding ready for Thanksgiving Day or Christmas. It doesn't matter, wherever you want to use it, it's up to you. Alright, so what we're going to do, I have a medium-sized pan right here. Alright, and I'm going to be showing you this is the first step what we want to do right here. Alright, this is the first step what we want to do. Basically, hold on, the first, turn off that one. So this is the first step what we want to do, is this. And this is very, very important, alright? Because this is going to be the first step up the process of making Jamaican. Whoa, okay, alright. So basically, this is going to be the first step of making Jamaican cornmeal pudding. Alright, so what we're going to do is, yeah, nice one. We're going to make a nice, lovely recipe today in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Now, what we want to do is get some coconut milk ready. Alright, that's the first thing we want to do. We want to get some coconut milk ready. Alright, now guys, so we need at least what? We need at least 3 cups of coconut milk right here. Alright, let me see, measure it out. Alright, 1. Alright, so basically that about. So okay. Now which cup may I use right now? I believe probably this is the English cup. I don't even know which cup I've been using. Alright, but in a way. So basically, this is gonna be some eye measurement right here with the rest of this coconut milk. I'm gonna put inside of it like this. Alright, but I'll let you guys know exactly what's going on, alright? So basically, roughly about this is gonna be 3 cups of coconut milk, I must say, right here. If my eye measurement is right, I don't even know right now, to be honest. Anyway, I'm gonna put a cup of water in it. Alright? I'm not gonna open no more coconut milk. Alright, so I'll put a cup of water inside of it, alright? Nice one. So right here, guys, I want to say to you that I have 3 cups of coconut milk and a cup of water inside of the pot. Alright? The more liquid you have, it is better for you, and the pudding will come out nice and moisture and all them thing there. Alright? Secondly, what we want to do after we do this, we want to get some butter, and I'm going to be using some unsalted butter. Alright, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of butter. Alright, and also I'm going to put some inside of this tray right here. Alright, so that's what you want to do. These are the first step of what you want to do. You know what I mean? I want to make sure you do this bit right here because this bit is very, very important when you're making Jamaican cornmeal pudding. You have to do it step by step in the kitchen. Alright? Now, what we're going to do, to be honest, I'm going to be using my measurement again. I'm going to put some sugar inside of it. I'm going to be using some brown sugar. So that's a cup of brown sugar. Because you don't know what happened now. When you're making it, you need to make the sugar dissolve into the milk, into the coconut milk. Right here. Just like what you see. The butter is dissolving into the cornmeal, into the milk at the moment. Alright guys. Now what we're going to do is put roughly about half cup of, I'm going to use half cup of granulated sugar inside of it also. Nice one. So you want to just make sure this is just really alright. Now that looking hot and nice, so what we're going to do, we're going to turn off this. We want to turn off the pot now, you know what I mean, turn off the heat from underneath it. Alright, so as you can see, that looking good. What we want to do is put some salt into it to make it go and dissolve. I'm using some sea salt. Alright, just use your eye judgment and just put a pinch of a salt inside of it. That is lovely. Alright, now what we want to do, we want to go over to the magic section. Alright, so we're going to go over to the magic section with Chef Ricardo today. Stay tuned in, guys. Nice one, guys. So now what we're going to do, we're going to show you how to do your flour section, because this part is also very important for you guys to do at home. Alright, so what we're going to do here now, we're just going to put 2 cups of cornmeal, plain flour. Alright, we're going to get 2 cups of plain flour. Nice one. Alright, so what we want to do, just gonna put, alright, that's 1 cup. This is some all-purpose flour. Alright, just gonna put a little bit more. The reason why I'm gonna sieve mine, because you know when you sieve it, it's come out really light and nice. So we're gonna put roughly about half teaspoon of baking powder inside of it. Alright, and now what we're going to do, we're going to put some mixed spice. 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, alright. Cinnamon powder, half teaspoon, because it's very strong. Just gonna put a little pinch of salt, not much. Alright, and what we're going to do, we're gonna sieve it. Alright, we got some nutmeg egg. This is some Jamaican nutmeg egg. We're gonna just grate that out, you know. that aside and just grate some in there because I don't know now. This is great time, this is so this is pretty good. Nice one. Just use a teaspoon and just mix it around, you know what I mean? Yeah, nice one. Just mix up everything together. So basically, it's just gonna be light and nice. And that's what I want, you know what I mean? Because when anything you sieve, come out light and nice, alright? Now, with the cornmeal, we need to put some cornmeal into this. So what we're going to do, we're going to measure it 2.5 cups of cornmeal. One. Two. And 1/2 cups of cornmeal, alright? Nice one. Just run it through the sieve. You're gonna see the difference with this cake with this pudding when I done with it. Honestly, you're gonna see the difference. Cause anything you sieve come out better. I'm telling you. Try this at home. It's one of the best anytime you sieve anything, guys. Honestly. Lovely and nice, and that's exactly what I've been looking for. That's an amazing. That is just perfect of making this an amazing recipe today. All right, mix it together. So basically, see this recipe. It's getting ready for Christmas. Thanksgiving Day. Right straight through the year. Step by step recipe. Can't go wrong. Alright, so you mix everything together. It's like you combine the flour and everything together. Alright, yeah. You get what I mean, guys? Beautiful. Yeah, man. Look at that. Alright, now I have some grated coconut. I'm gonna put 1, 2. Just 2 tablespoons. You don't want to put too much in it, you know what I mean? Yeah. You just want to make sure you mix it perfectly. Preheat your oven first. Look at that. Nice. Alright, now, to be honest, this is my tray right here. Alright. And what you want to do, just get a little, you know what I mean, just put a little piece of a butter in the tray and just use a piece of a napkin and wipe around it inside of it. Right around in it. Alright. Lovely. So this is what you want to do. Like this. Then once you do that, to be honest, you just get a little bit of a flour. Just a little bit of the same plain flour inside of it, and that's simple. Just run it around in the pan like this. Get what I mean? Yeah, yeah. I know you understand what I mean. Alright guys, nice one. Then let's just put that outside, you know? Look at that. Amazing. Beautiful. Alright, now the cornmeal and the flour and all of the spices them come together. You see? Nice. It's just light and nice. So what you want to do, you just want to part out in the middle of this an amazing cornmeal recipe today. Pudding. Alright, now take a little time and pour in some of this mixture in it. Alright, the reason why, guys, why I put a cup of water also inside of it. A lot of people doesn't know that, you know what I mean, anytime you're making things like this, you know what I mean, special, this pudding, to be honest, is a lot of fat and stuff coming from, you know what I mean, so you have to try and just be careful of what you are doing. So it's supposed to be a little bit more runny, so you know what I mean. A little bit more. To be honest, you know, say it's supposed to be so hot. Neither, because it's cooking it. You know what I mean? It's supposed to be a little bit cool, but you know what I mean? And I want a lump. Right, a little bit more. Right amount. Perfect. See? Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, man, nice, man. Nice. All right. Look at this recipe here. I'm gonna see something when I never see before. Get your tray and just pour this inside of it. All right. Wow. What I'm doing, Chef Ricardo? Come on, man. Shouldn't do that, Chef Ricardo. You should never do that at all. Alright, now I got some Jamaican. This is some raisin which I've been soaking over the last almost a year and a half. Now soaking to some Jamaican white rum. Alright, let's put a few of it inside of it. That should mix with it, but fortunate, you know what I mean, you know, when you're moving fast, That's what happened. Alright. Yeah. Nice one. Here's some more, yeah. Alright, lovely. Then what you do? Take out some of the hair out of it, you know? Yeah. That's the secret when you're making Jamaican cornmeal pudding. Alright. Now my friends and my family, it's coming up to Christmas and Thanksgiving. Let's put this aside. Alright. Let's put that at the side. Alright, now you see this tray? We're going to put this tray inside of the oven with some cold water. Alright? Cold water. So we're going to put a little bit of water in it. So when we're baking that beautiful and an amazing pudding, it does not dry out and thick and tough. Now, the moisture. Alright? So what I want to say to you now, if you have electric oven like what I'm using at my one at 175 at the moment. This will take roughly about 1 hour, about 20 minutes, because I preheat my oven already. If you're using gas mark 6 or 7, Fahrenheit Celsius 355, bake this in your oven for roughly about 1 hour and about 20 minutes. Preheat your oven first before you do anything. This tray with some water, place it in your oven and you are good to go. Please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere and watch this an amazing recipe. Alright? Nice one. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I just take out this beautiful and an amazing cornmeal pudding from the oven. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do, alright, to make a nice lovely sauce to put on top of it. So get some coconut milk, alright. So we're going to be using roughly about, not a lot of coconut milk we're going to be using. Let me see if you, this is amount, alright. I we should put a little bit more, just a little bit more coconut milk. Alright, so basically, as you can see, it's not a lot. Roughly about 1/4 cups of coconut milk I've been using right there. Alright, now we're going to get some brown sugar. You can use white sugar. I'm gonna get some brown sugar and put 1, 2. Alright, we're gonna put a pinch of vanilla, not much, just a tiny pinch of vanilla. A little bit of cinnamon. A pinch of the cinnamon and give it a mix. Alright, then what you want to do is pour this on top of it, just like this. Alright. As you can see for yourself, that looking fantastic and an amazing, guys. Honestly, look at that, beautiful and nice. So we're gonna pop this back into the oven, all right, and get that beautiful color what we are looking for. All right. Nice one, look at that. That is lovely. That is just lovely. Now, put it back into the oven for roughly about another 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes to get that beautiful color, sticky, nice, and lovely on top. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. Alright? Just take it from the oven. Alright, look at this. Ah. Whoa, 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 whoa. I can't believe I really did this, guys. Honestly. Whoa. Can't believe that I really did this. It's still warming up. Wow, can't believe, man. Okay. Yeah, look at this. Alright, you need to cool down, you know? But so I just want to show you guys exactly what's going on right here. Cool down a little bit. Alright. Look at that. It's just perfect. I know. Alright. That is just perfect. Look at the raisin. 100% perfect. Not even 50%. Not even 50%. Anyway, I eat this. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas. Very easy and simple to make. We have another version coming up, which we're gonna be doing that one live. Alright? Stay tuned, enjoy it, and I'll see you next time in the kitchen with some lovely recipe. Alright guys? Yeah man, Cornmeal pudding. Oh, Chef Ricardo. Look at that. Best in the world. Yeah man, I eat that. Cornmeal pudding. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time in the kitchen with more recipes and more ideas. Alright? This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Tell our friend, and our friend tell our friend. Alright?